The Mdzananda Animal Clinic in Khayelitsha is taking over the South African Mass Sterilisation Trust to rescue the organisation from shutting down. After the departure of its founder and fundraiser and the loss of some major donors, the clinic is in a bad state. The SA MAST trustees contacted us to help. All funds have dried up, leaving the organisation in a dire state. This clinic cannot close. Hundreds of animals are sterilised here every year, preventing unwanted litters, neglect, and even abuse. We want to save this clinic, so we're taking over. The Mdzananda Animal Clinic needs to raise 5 million rand to run this clinic for 1 year. We really need some heroes. Any emergency donations will help, and if only 4,000 people can become Steri supporters and donate 100 rand per month for a sterilisation, we can save this clinic. Please make an emergency donation today or become a Steri supporter. Let's save this clinic together.